The scent of success. Understanding, smell blood in English. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that you might have heard, smell blood. It's a metaphorical expression that's quite vivid and can be really interesting when used correctly in English. So, buckle up as we explore its meaning and usage. Smell blood originates from the instinctive behavior of predators that can detect the scent of blood from a wounded animal, signifying an opportunity for an easy hunt. In human contexts, it means to sense a weakness or vulnerability in someone or something and to see the chance to take advantage of it, often to succeed in a competition or conflict. This section will show you how to use smell blood in different sentences. It's commonly used in sports, business, and politics. For instance, if a political candidate sees a rival make a mistake, they might smell blood and increase their own campaign efforts to win votes. Expressions like smell blood often have siblings in the English language. Taste victory, or see an opportunity, are expressions with similar vibes. They all revolve around noticing a chance to succeed. And that's a wrap on the expression, smell blood. It's a colorful phrase that can add some drama and intensity to your conversations. We hope you found this video enlightening and that it adds a new layer to your English communication. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use smell blood when the moment is right. Until our next video, keep learning and stay curious.